Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. Leos, today's reading is going to be different, guys. We are picking cards for your present situation and for the future of your situation, guys. So, first for your present. So, these cards will relate to your current state, what is happening in this connection, what you feel, what this person feels about you, Leos. And these cards are for your future. So, what is the future of this connection? How things will proceed in your future with this connection, and what is coming up, the future outcome for you guys in your love life. So, let's start with the cards for your present situation, Leos. Chariot, Moon, and Four of Water. I hope you can see the cards here, guys. If you like this kind of reading, Leos, you can comment. I'll be doing more of such readings, guys, for your love situation. What is really happening? Leos, with these cards, I see that in your circumstances today, you may be having a love, mutual respect, and caring with this person, but still you are facing lot of trials in this circumstance, in this connection with this person. You have made a lot of sacrifice. That same way this person has also made. You have crossed so many obstacles to be with them, and today you have that acceptance in your heart, and you're seeing the victories in this connection, and the sadness it has, maybe some misunderstandings are still there. All that is needed for your growth. So all that is changing the way you are, the way you feel, and the way you relate to this person, and you are growing tremendously emotionally and spiritually in a beautiful way. And these changes, these circumstances, these uh, tough circumstances are necessary for you to rise up, realize the truth, and feel fearless, and feel that talent and skills in you rising up. So, these negative things that are there in this connection are necessary for your growth, and you have that acceptance today, guys, and you have this acceptance towards this person. So however this person is, you are ready to work, make those efforts, make this relationship work. And the troubles you have, the reasons for misunderstandings, maybe your expectations or their expectations. They have certain views or dreams about the person they want to be with. So these, the dream image is not matching with the reality they see, and they are creating some kind of illusion, and they want to live in that illusion, in that fantasy dream world, and they are not ready to see what is there right in front of them, and they are simply comparing this present situation with their dreams, and they cannot find the reality, and they don't know what is really going on in the present. So instead of working in this beautiful relationship with you, they are simply comparing you with that dream person, or this may be your energy, guys. So that may be the reason for things not going according to expectation for both of you or you. And you need to have that trust, but you have that acceptance in your heart. So you are in a waiting phase, maybe for some of you. Maybe you are waiting to things to fall into place, and you are having that acceptance in how the circumstances are going today for you. So for some of you, it may proceed in a positive way. You have faith in that divine perfect timing working in this connection. So at the right time, all that dreams you have, all that um, fantasies you have of your life, of your future, may come true, guys. But you need to live in the present if you want that future to come to a reality, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So let us see what are these cards, Leos, for your future of this connection. So it is Fortune's Wheel, Hangman, and High Priestess. With these cards, guys, I see for you, Leos, a beautiful mystery that is going to play out in your future. So, just like the fortune's wheel going round and round, sometimes we may be on top of the wheel, sometimes down. So, our circumstances will be that, guys. So, whatever is destined to happen, it will happen at the right time, and that mystery will be revealed to you if you have the trust and faith in yourself and in this connection, guys. And I also see that all that trials and all that sacrifices that you made for this connection, made for this love, for this beautiful relationship, all that will uh, give you that acceptance, give you that serenity in your heart, no matter what your situation is in future. So you will let go, or you are able to let go that attachment of that future outcome, whatever it is. So you have that acceptance in your heart, however things are going to go. You are feeling free and simply happy for yourself. So things are going to magically align for you guys in your life, Leos. Whatever is destined, maybe if you are having the destiny with this person, you will surely move in those lines. This person may be the person for you. Or if it is someone else, that person, whoever is coming towards you, they will surely come, guys, in your future, and it will be a beautiful love, something unexpected, and it will be uh, fortune and luck aligning together and bringing that perfect person for you at the right time. So you have um, that future of acceptance, peace, and happiness, no matter what your situation is. So, for some of you, it may be the same person, this relationship, but you have this beautiful acceptance and understanding in your heart. But for some of you, if it is someone new coming in your future, that also is going to be a beautiful relationship, guys, where you have that peace of mind, happiness, and surrender to that situation, guys. So you will feel happy no matter what is your situation, Leos. So divine perfect timing is what is helping you bring out that beautiful mysterious love for you in future, Leos. That is what I see, guys, for your love reading, Leos. If you like this reading, please comment. I'll be doing more of such readings, guys, for you all in future. Thank you, guys, for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.